Are you looking at outdoor cat houses on the market? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the top 5 best cat houses on the market. Perfect for keeping your kitty warm and comfortable all winter long. From spacious, all-weather cat houses to compact and easy-to-assemble options, we've got you covered. So let's get started. List No. Love's Cabin Outdoor Cat House, waterproof for all seasons. Love's Cabin Outdoor Cat House is the solution for all your cat's needs. The durable and sturdy waterproof material of the cat house will protect your cat from rain and snow, which means that you can use Love's Cabin Outdoor Cat House even in freezing winter days. In addition, no matter where you set up your outdoor cat house, in the garden, in the barn, in the forecourt, or in the house, it will not make any difference to your cat. It's actually a great adventure for them. Your beloved feline will feel comfortable and safe with our outdoor cat shelter's removable, comfortable sleeping mat inside the enclosure space. This indoor-outdoor cat house is a great addition for any sweet cat. This indoor-outdoor cat house is perfect for all seasons. Whether you are leaving the house or going to work, this cat housing terrace will be your best friend, protecting any pet from wind, rain, and moisture, while providing them with tons of fun indoor and outdoor activities with its deck and roof. Our removable mat can be machine washed and dry at low temperature. Our small dog house is perfect for cats, small dogs, rabbit, and other pets up to 15 pounds. Listen, Paw Hut Large Wooden Outdoor Cat House with Large Run for Play. The Paw Hut Large Wooden Outdoor Cat House is an excellent addition to your patio or backyard and is perfect for one or multiple cats to play or lounge and relax in. The multi-tier cat house includes a ventilated window, sliding door, a small hinge door, and a ramp to help with easy access into the home. This cat kennel has a solid fur frame sealed with pet-friendly sealant and enclosed with solid metal wire. For your indoor cat to enjoy the outside, this wooden outdoor cat house with large run allows cats a spot to stretch their legs and play in the sunshine. Made of solid fur, sealed with pet-friendly sealant, and enclosed by metal wire, this cat house can withstand a variety of weather conditions. And because there are multiple levels, it adds value as your cats get older and need more space. The fully enclosed outdoor playpen for cats is a safe and sturdy option with the ability to provide hours of fun for your feline. List number: cat houses for outdoor cats. Outdoor cat house is a must-have item for your pet. It adopts the top zipper connection method so that the cat kennel outdoor waterproof can be disassembled and folded, and you can easily store and clean it. It is a great outdoor cat house, weatherproof. The new waterproof house cat apartment decorates your home and yard. It is a great outdoor cat house, weatherproof. Made of high-quality PVC coated waterproof Oxford cloth with sponge lining, plush material inside, warm. The external waterproof structure allows to be placed anywhere, giving cats warm home. The PetMate closed design nest provides a safe, warm spot for your cat to relax in during the cold winter weather. It provides protection from rain and snow while allowing plenty of ventilation so your cat can stay cool and comfortable. Constructed with a durable plastic substrate, this pet bed will give your cat hours of fun and relaxation, no matter what the weather. List number: Weatherproof Cat House. The Weatherproof Cat House is a neat, compact, and lightweight cat enclosure that provides the perfect place to get away from it all. The enclosed cat house can be used as a permanent or temporary shelter for your living room, and it is fully customizable with various accessories such as ramps, clay cubes, and more. This convenient cat enclosure also offers a sleeping house for 2 cats to sleep in safe, warm, and cozy conditions. The Weatherproof Cat House provides excellent ventilation so that your feline friends can keep themselves warm, even in freezing temperatures. The sturdy cat tree is reinforced with wooden corner strips to make the cat cage more durable. Oversized convenient front door at 67 inches with safety latch allows adult people to access the cat enclosure to interact with the pets while making cleaning easier. Fitted with 2-part sleeping houses offering super soft and warm lounging spots for your feline friend. List 5: Miu Color Outdoor Cat House. Our new Mew Color outdoor cat house is designed to be both comfortable and smart, providing much-needed comfort during the summer heat or shivery nights. A double-sided design provides optimal comfort for your favorite feline friend. The waterproof couch on one side allows for days in the sun and moonlit nights, while the plush backrest on the other side provides warmth during colder months. Our cat house can be easily removed and installed in seconds, no tools required. Our cat house comes with a double-sided mattress. With just a few simple steps, your cat will have a cozy spot where she can sleep peacefully and ease her anxiety. Our cat house is large and measures 17.1 by 13.4 by 16.6 inches approximately, 43.5 by 34 by 42 centimeters, making it the ideal indoor and outdoor cat house for cats, puppies, rabbits, and other pets that weigh less than 20 pounds, about 9.1 kilograms, and can be used on the street, garden, barn, front door, or room.